What's up guys? So today I'm going to go get some photos and some videos of the car. I figured I would bring you guys along. This is the type of video I'm wanting to try to make. And obviously I wouldn't be going full throttle or anything. I just kind of want a video of my car driving by the camera. The only thing that does suck is I don't have a tripod for this camera. So I'm going to have to find something to put my camera on and just hope that it stays and everything. But with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm going to go ahead and start the car and everything and go ahead and head that way. Also, I did wash the car last night and man, it just looks so good, especially under this lighting. I know it probably doesn't show up that good on camera. I guess I'll give you guys a little cold start, then we'll head that way. And I don't know what it is about new edges, but it just looks so good. Also, I got my little tripod. It's just a bucket. Alright, see you guys in a second. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film and drive at the same time, but I'm going to try without getting the GoPro out. Alright, so since there was somebody in the spot that I was thinking of, I'm going to try to go to a different one. I'm going to go and set the GoPro up, try to get some footage on the way there and everything, just add some extra clips. Alright, I got to try to go to the other spot. I'm not going to lie, the bugger right there looks really tacky. But let's go see if I can do this somewhere else. Also, I'm not going to lie, this clutch is supposed to resemble a stock clutch when I swapped my car, but this was the first car I've ever driven that's actually manual, and it's the first time I've ever felt an actual clutch, other than riding like dirt bikes or four-wheelers. But I will say that this clutch is really heavy, and everybody that hops in this car tells me that it is actually super heavy. But I mean, it's supposed to act like stock, and well, I guess it doesn't. Still fairly easy to drive though. Just kind of got to get used to it. Especially because I sat my buddies in Ford, and the car's pretty cool. I'll try to make a video on that sometime maybe. But I sat in his car and I pushed in the clutch and I about put a hole in his floor just because of how light that thing was compared to mine, being that this is the only clutch I've ever felt. So it was kind of funny. And then he sat in this thing and he just like, oh my god, it's so heavy. I don't know if you guys can see that Terminator over there. I don't think that guy really drives that thing that much. It's super nice. There's also another guy in our town that has a Mystic Chrome Terminator that has 10,000 miles on it. It's absolutely like insane how low mileage that thing has, but he don't really drive that much either, I don't think. Obviously not if it has 10,000 miles. I hope the audio is good enough. I'm still getting used to the whole GoPro stuff. I haven't like actually used it a ton. I've made about 2 or 3 videos with it, but I've been kind of having audio issues. I think it's just swear my computer doesn't really process the GoPro quality just yet. I think I'm gonna have to buy a newer one. This is actually my old high school, so it's definitely kind of weird pulling back up here, and I cannot get that bucket to stay still. Should have buckled it in or something. There's a lot of people in front of me, so there might be something going on here. I don't know. Oh, I scraped. Yeah, there's probably some kind of vent or something going on up here. I will say that coming back up here to my old high school, definitely I do not miss these speed bumps. Especially with a bunch of teenagers that could not drive. And then me trying to go slow and sideways over them. Hey, I'm not scraping and everything. I will say this one though has a little hole in it, so I can kind of cheat it. Oh, still scraping. Never mind. This kind of sucks because I don't know what to do. I guess I'm going to have to go back to that spot later tonight or something. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to stop the camera and I'm going to try to head that way again later. See if that guy's stopping up there. I just don't want to bother anybody or anything. Alright, so I'm going to go try this again. Hopefully that guy will be going by now. It does say that it's supposed to be raining right now, so hopefully I can somehow beat the rain. Alright, so I just got done filming a little bit. My idea was to be able to just go down this road and everything and have it set up. As you can see, there's been some people here, so I might try to wait it out a little bit, maybe see if I can get some better stuff. Honestly, I really want to get a good first second, but obviously I don't want to like make these people mad and everything, so maybe I'll have to come back up here another day or maybe try a different spot. Honestly, what I'm thinking is I might try to make a cold start type of video. I know it's not an actual true cold start, but it's going to be a warm start, and I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up and I'm going to see how that turns out. Alright, I think I got enough video by now. I'm going to go ahead and throw everything back in the car, and I guess I'll catch you guys back at the house in a second. Alright, so we just made it back home, and I did end up getting caught in the rain a little bit, but other than that, that's pretty much going to be the end of the video. And I did change the oil the other day, so I'm going to go ahead and throw in some clips of that. It's not too long or anything, and I know this video kind of jumped around a lot, but if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. As of right now, I'm going to go ahead and jack the car up, and I'm going to do an oil change on it. I was meaning to do it before Mustang week, I just never got to it, so we're going to go ahead and get started on that.